Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all a beautiful 3-bedroom detached property. This is Sankey from Countryside Properties. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Manchester and the development site is called as Radcliffe Gardens. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the kitchen with extended living and dining, and there's also a washroom. On the first floor you have 2 bedrooms with a common family bathroom, and on the second floor you have the master bedroom with the ensuite facilities. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions made towards the first floor and kitchen with living areas. So let's explore the kitchen with living area. Now this is a different model. Here you have the open plan kitchen with living and dining space included. There's no partition coming in between. So you will be entering into the kitchen space first and then moving towards the dining and living spaces. And towards the other end, that's the living area. You also have the garden access to the French doors given. There are 2 skylight windows coming up in between in the living space, and you have other 2 windows, one in the middle and also one towards the kitchen side. So plenty of natural light falling in this space and the ventilation is really good. Now just to explore the kitchen area, it's a bit small which is coming in the front, but then the space is okay. You're getting the gas hob and an exhaust, and there are plenty of cupboards at the bottom and even at the top. The wash basin and the window space looks good. I like at least one window to have like this open without having any worktop attached to this. For small families, this kind of kitchen and living space should be okay because they don't have much luggage. And towards the other side, you're getting space for the integrated fridge, freezer and oven. And there's also an extra cupboard coming in between. They gave a very wider worktop towards the other side. So this is kind of like a small partition. And in between you're getting a small storage space with door and lock. You can plant some grocery or something inside the space. Since it's an open plan kitchen with living space, you can plan your dining table somewhere here like this. A small table with 4 chairs can easily be fitted in. Now moving towards the living space. As you can see, it's a decent space wherein easily you can plan 2 sofa sets and also a TV set. Also, because you're getting this extended wide French door access towards the garden and 2 skylight windows on the top, plenty of natural light falling here in the living area, which makes it look more pleasant. And some people like to have their living areas behind rather than the front facing, because you also have the garden access and there's a lot of privacy. You will be getting a very spacious garden with fence around it. Overall, a decent kitchen with living space provided. Now let's move towards the other rooms of this property. Now before moving towards the first floor, let's check out the washroom here in the ground floor. So this washroom is coming towards the right side as you enter the house. The space is quite okay. You have the water closet, sink, and there's a window coming towards the front end. I also like the wallpaper which they used in this washroom. Simple and nice. So we covered the rooms here in the ground floor. Now let's move towards the first floor and check out the rooms there. As I told you in the beginning, on the first floor we have 2 bedrooms and a common family bathroom. So this is the first bedroom of the house. Now this is slightly bigger than the single room and smaller than the double bedroom. As you can see, the space is given in length. Towards one side they actually planned a single cot, and towards the opposite side you have decent space to plan a wardrobe. They actually planned a study table. If you want, you can plan anything else. This can be used as a kids room, guest room, anything you want to. You're still getting a nice window towards one side, so the ventilation is good. And just beside this first bedroom, you're getting the second bedroom of the house. Now this is kind of like a double bedroom. A double cot fits in and you can walk around. There's a wide window coming towards one side, so plenty of light falling in the room. They actually planned wardrobes towards the opposite side. But again, these wardrobes are not going inside the wall, so that kind of like taking that extra room space. So if you really need a wardrobe in these kind of bedrooms, go for them. But otherwise, overall, a decent bedroom. Just as you come out of this bedroom, you'll find some corridor space which actually looks like an extra room because you're getting a window towards one side. Let's check out the common family bathroom given here on the first floor. So this is the family bathroom. You're getting the tub, walk-in shower, and there's a water closet and sink. You're still getting a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling here in the bathroom. It's kind of like a fully tiled bathroom and the space also is okay. This is all about the first floor of the house. Now let's move to the second floor and check out the master bedroom and also the ensuite attached. Now in these particular models wherein you have two different floors, and on the top floor when they actually plan a single bedroom, they try to maximize the space. So here you can see a very bigger bedroom with good space compared to other bedrooms. This is actually bigger than the double bedroom, so a king size bed can fit in and you have really good room space to walk around. The height of the room also looks okay. Towards the front end they actually gave a slanting cut, and also they try to maximize by giving these skylight windows, so the visuals from these windows are really good. Also there's very good ventilation. You can see so much of natural light falling in the room, which is a good thing. So this is the bed space here, and towards the opposite end they actually plan the wardrobes. You can plan the entire wall with wardrobes, and in between the corridor also is considered as a room. I mean, there's no particular partition towards the front end, but this entire thing they gave it as one single room. You also get the ensuite attached to this towards this side. So there's a walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and you're getting a skylight window. This is again a fully tiled bathroom, and the space inside this shower cubicle also is okay. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent property for good price. For small families with 1 or 2 kids, these kind of houses will be ideal. This is all for today. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.